Hello everybody and welcome to the Forex Market Analysis for the trading week beginning the April 5th of 2010. What we have going on is Monday at the start, we've got a European bank holiday for most parts of the world. Interestingly enough, however, we had some very large gaps in the pound. Pound dollar, as an example, gapped 77 pips. And as I record this now, over 5 hours after open, that gap still has not been filled, which is a little bit surprising for a day when there's a holiday. Despite the fact that there is the holiday, we are going to have an extremely busy news week ahead of us. Starting right out of the gate for Monday, April the 5th, you can see that there are two very important, well, actually one very important news release for the U.S., which is the services PMI. There is the pending home sales number, which I do not really expect is going to be the big mover unless the pending home sales number is different than the forecast by a very, very wide margin. Going into Tuesday and Wednesday, we have had over the last 10 days, the yen has lost an enormous amount of strength across the majors, euro, pound, and dollar. Tuesday and Wednesday are the days where, if that is going to change this week, those are the days when that'll happen. The BOJ is going to be putting out its monetary policy statement on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday there is core machinery orders for Japan. So here's kind of what's going on. Because this is such a busy news week, my very strong suspicion is that we are going to see the yen strengthen up a little bit on Monday in a profit-taking move going into Tuesday and Wednesday before we start seeing these important news releases coming out, which means I am expecting to see EUR JPY and GBP JPY and USD JPY all make direction changes just for Monday. However, for the rest of the week, what kinds of things we can see for the rest of the week is going to be determined by this extraordinarily busy news week that we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you the heads up that, yes, we do have a very busy news week. Yes, we probably are going to see direction changes in yen pairs because of profit taking and short covering and all that kind of good stuff as people start to close out of their positions going into Tuesday and Wednesday. And then what I'll do is throughout the week, I will give you updates and then be able to provide you some kind of forecast as to what you can expect out of more of the pairs based off of what we're getting out of the based off of what we're getting from this massive flood of news releases that we are getting. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the box below.